Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do like a little cute look because me and my husband were running around doing some errands, but I wanted to do a little face mask first. And this I got in my July BoxyCharm box, I'm sorry. And this is a ColourPop eyebrow pencil that I don't know when I got it, but I love their pencils and they are amazing. But yeah, this mask is the the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And it is amazing. It smells really good. You can definitely tell it's doing something to your skin. This is really like the first time I'm using it. But so far, I like it. Like, you can just definitely tell your skin feels tightened afterwards and clean. And so I'm just gonna wait the 10 minutes and then rinse this off my face. So my face is all clean. I really like this mask. It feels really good on my skin afterwards. So of course I am using the Wonder Beauty's Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Because I didn't want to put any foundation on my face, I really wanted to do a cute eye makeup look, but I still wanted to glow, so I just decided to put a bunch of this on my face. If you haven't seen me rave about how much I love this, I also think I did an unboxing for this, so I'll link that below. So I decided to use the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow hashtag. I really like this palette. I don't use it often, but the color I started to use first is FOMO. I really like this color. It's like a rose gold, and I switched between FOMO and Lady Boss and kind of just put those on my lid. I know that my lighting in the bathroom is really bad. I apologize. Hopefully the end you'll be able to see what my makeup actually looks like, my eye look actually looks like, because it is pretty and these colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm using the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner. I love this eyeliner, so I'm going to attempt to do a wing on camera, and then I'll come back after I do the other one off camera because it's already difficult enough for me. So I'm back and I did the other one and they came out pretty even actually this time around. So I'm pretty proud of myself for that one. I jumped into G.O.A.T and I'm throwing that on my lower lash. I didn't want to get too much and make it look like I got a black eye. Wasn't too worried about my lower lash line, more so just about the top, but really did want to use this color. I want to say it's like a mixture of like a brown and like it's definitely brown, but it has like red tint in it. So like, I mean, I love it. It's very pigmented, and that's why I didn't want to use a bunch of it. But it's very pretty, so I'm gonna finish my eye. Real quick, also under my lip gloss, that I'm throwing on. I'm just using this chapstick that I got, that I have from Dabs of Love in Lemon Mint. It feels really good on the lips, and you know, keeps my lips hydrated. So I'm using the Tarte Big Ego mascara that I got in my BoxyCharm box. I love this mascara. Real quick before I throw on these lashes that I told you that I got from Amazon, I will link the video where I talked about these lashes down below. So yeah, I'm just seeing if they fit, and then I'm just gonna throw these right on. They are big and I love them. So I'm using the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss on top of my chapstick. I really just wanted to just throw this on as a topper. It's really cute. It'll look cute over lipstick or a lip liner, but I just wanted to throw it on to go with my my glow look that I was going for. Hopefully, you know, it worked out in the end. You tell me. Guys, so this is the final look. I hope this picture view is better. But yeah, I'm just like I said, running around with my husband today, so I don't have any foundation on, just that hydrating oil that I love so much. Plus I have a visitor. Can you see? But yes, so yeah, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I do upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!